Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Boy and His Father. A moral story: quick and clever thinking helps in grave situations. A boy and his father were traveling and needed a place to stay. They were told that a house was empty, but that a wicked goblin lived there. The goblin ate those who didn't say, "Long life to you," or "Same to you," after sneezing. The father and boy decided that they would give the house a try as there were no other lodgings available. When they were inside, the goblin raised some dust and made the father sneeze. The boy realized this was the goblin's mischief. So, he quickly said, "Long life to you, father. May that goblin stay away from you." The father replied, "Same to you. May you live long." Now, the goblin could not eat them as the father and the son had used the words he needed to hear, and so he let them be. The father and son had a good night's rest and went on their way the next morning.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.